मैं जानती हूँ ये ख्वाब अधूरे हैं, मैं जानती हूँ ये ख्वाब अधूरे हैं और ये खुशियाँ चंद भर की हैं। पर जिंदा रहने के लिए मेरे दोस्त कुछ गलतफहमियां होनी बहुत बहुत जरूरी हैं। और यकीन मानिए लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, ये ख्वाब अधूरे नहीं रहेंगे और ये खुशियाँ आपके जीवन में पूरी तरह से रंग भर सकती हैं। अब आप मेरे से पूछेंगे कैसे, तो ये मैं आपको बताऊंगी थोड़ी देर में। But let's thank these artists who've actually added so much music in the air, who've actually mesmerized you, captivated you, enslaved you, and in fact transferred you into a different world altogether. Ladies and gentlemen, on the tabla we have Prabhat. A huge hand for Prabhat. Siddharth on the bass guitar, and of course we have Sunny on the guitar doing all the magic. Thank you so very much. It was really wonderful. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you, and yes, a very warm welcome to all of you to this very wonderful and very spectacular evening. Thanks so very much for accepting our invitation, and yes, being a part of our celebrations tonight. And yes, it's a celebrations night for all of us because we are celebrating the beautiful association which we share with all of you. Over a period of time, you have extended your support to us, you have extended the trust and confidence in us. So we thank you for all that. And this evening has been organized for all of you. It's just a small token of expressing our thanks to all of you. And yes, we are celebrating the launch of the commercial operations of Indocimon. And you have joined us today, so thanks so very much for this. And before you are more curious, and you want to know who I am, so ladies and gentlemen, first let me introduce myself to all of you. I'm your host for the evening, and my name is Vimi. And I'm sure you must be cursing me to the core, because I'm the one who's transferred you from that magical world and got you back into this materialistic world. But, ladies and gentlemen, this is the power of music, and this is the power of Indocimon, which actually, as you see, smart switching solutions, redefining your life with technology. As you all know, ladies and gentlemen, Indocimon is a joint venture which is coming up, and it is with the experience of two giants which have come together. You have 51 years of experience of Indo-Asian, and which is coming together with 93 years of experience of from Spain we have. So the two of them are merging together, and what you see is Indocimon. And of course, because the two giants are coming together, it definitely calls for a gala celebration night. And we are here for this. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, dreams of lots and lots of people are coming true today. And the vision and the mission which is shared by lots of people is seeing the light of the day. So thanks once again, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us this evening. And we're also extremely honored to have some esteemed guests which are there. There are people who have traveled all the way from abroad and have joined us. Ladies and gentlemen, I would request you to kindly put your hands together as I introduce them to all of you. And I would request them to kindly just wave to the audience, just marking their presence here. Extremely honored to have Mr. V.P. Mahindru, Chairman and Managing Director of Indo-Asian Fuse Gear Limited. Very warm welcome to you, sir. It's also an extreme honor to have Mr. P.K. Ranade, Joint Managing Director, Indo-Asian Fuse Gear Limited. Mr. Luis Baselja, General Manager, International Business, Simon Holdings. Mr. Ricard Simon, Director, Simon Holdings. Mr. Prashant Ranade, Director, Indo-Asian Simon Private Limited. Mr. Vivek Mahindru, Director, Indo-Asian. Mr. Pradeep Saikia, Chief Executive Officer, Indo-Asian. And now I introduce to you, ladies and gentlemen, members of the Management Committee, Indo-Asian Fuse Gear Limited, Mr. Vimal Mahindru. Mr. Vinay Mahindru and Mr. Vikram Ranade. Once again, thank you and a warm welcome. I hope you really have a wonderful time and you enjoyed this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, I think you will also agree with me that music is the highest form of expression. In fact, Any form of expression, whether it is love, lust, anger, can be so very beautifully depicted by this language of music. Music has a direct emotional appeal. That is why we choose that medium to bring about the launch of Indosimon here. What you saw here was actually a traditional music fusing with the modern. And when the two came together, when they fused together, or what we say, jugal bandi, they broke into a jugal bandi, they actually reached a higher crescendo. And the effect was awesome. It was so inspiring. Similarly, today we have two giants, two experienced organizations which are coming together. And of course, the outcome is here for everyone to witness. The outcome is here for everyone to stand up and take notice of. The best of the two worlds are coming together today. And now, to share the vision of the joint venture, I invite Mr. V.P. Mahindru, Chairman and Managing Director, Indo-Asian Fuse Gear Limited. Please join me in inviting Mr. Mahindru here on the podium.
Very, very warm welcome.